The Husqvarna TC85 is a motocross bike specifically engineered for young, aspiring riders eager to conquer the track. With its powerful engine, lightweight frame, and advanced features, this bike provides the perfect platform for developing skills and experiencing the thrill of competitive racing. At the heart of the Husqvarna TC85 lies a high-performance, liquid-cooled, two-stroke engine. This compact powerhouse delivers impressive power and torque, providing young riders with the acceleration and speed they need to tackle challenging tracks. The engine's advanced design and precise engineering ensure smooth power delivery and exceptional responsiveness, giving riders the confidence to push their limits. The Husqvarna TC85's lightweight chromoly steel frame provides exceptional rigidity and stability, allowing young riders to maintain control and confidence even on the most demanding terrain. The bike's advanced suspension system, featuring WP-ZACT forks and a WP-PDS shock absorber, absorbs bumps and jumps with ease, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. The Husqvarna TC85 is designed with young riders in mind. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and natural riding position, allowing riders to maintain control and focus on the track. The bike's adjustable controls and seat height allow riders to customize the fit to their individual needs. The Husqvarna TC85 boasts a modern and aggressive design that reflects its high-performance capabilities. The bike's sleek lines, vibrant colors, and distinctive graphics make it a true head-turner on the track. The Husqvarna TC85 is a true track weapon, capable of conquering any challenge. Its powerful engine, lightweight frame, and advanced suspension system provide young riders with the tools they need to excel in motocross racing. The Husqvarna TC85 is ideal for young riders who are serious about motocross racing. It is perfect for those who are looking for a high-performance bike that can help them develop their skills and achieve their racing goals. The Husqvarna TC85 is a top-of-the-line motocross bike that offers young riders the perfect combination of power, handling, and style. With its advanced features and race-proven performance, this bike is sure to help young riders achieve their motocross dreams.